In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a one-page website using Wix. Now, building a website might seem like a daunting task, but with Wix, it's quite intuitive and really straightforward. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com. If you haven't already created an account, take this opportunity to do so. Or if you're already a member, just click on the Login option to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should see an option labeled Wix.com Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. Clicking here will set you on the right path to start creating your website. Once inside your Wix account dashboard, you'll notice a button that invites you to Create New Site. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Wix Site Creation page, which is where the magic begins. It's important to note that Wix provides a guided setup process that simplifies the creation of your site tremendously. We can opt to set up without chat here to skip any unnecessary steps. The next choice you'll encounter is selecting the type of website you'd like to create. Whether it's a business site, a personal page, or something else entirely, Wix's broad selection accommodates virtually any need. Once you've settled on the website type, click Continue. Now it's time to name your website. Think about what really captures the essence of your business or personal brand. After entering the name, simply hit Continue again. You'll be asked whether you already run an online store. Make your selection and proceed to the next phase by clicking Continue. The next few steps involve some more quick decisions about your website's nature. You'll be asked to specify the type of site you're building and how you plan to offer products if you're planning on running a store. These selections help Wix tailor its offerings to your needs. Each time, when ready, just click Continue. We're almost at the design stage. When prompted, click on Continue to Dashboard. This will land you on the heart of Wix's creative suite. From your dashboard, click on Design Site to start customizing what people will see when they visit your web page. You'll then have the option to pick a template. In the template gallery, use the search box and enter one page to find templates optimized for single-page sites. Once you find a template that suits your brand's aesthetic, go ahead and select it. Click on Edit to start making it uniquely yours. Finally, employ all the design tools that Wix provides to customize the site fully to your liking. Adjust text, swap images, tweak layouts. The possibilities are extensive. Take your time to explore the editor's robust set of features. And with that, you've taken significant steps toward building your one-page website on Wix. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity and see where your online presence can take you.